Welcome, food enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a mouthwatering journey? Get ready for a sizzling showdown as we unravel the differences between olive oil versus avocado oil. We'll dive deep into the world of these kitchen superheroes. Join us and discover how these oils can elevate your health to new heights. Number 4. Smoke point. Smoke point refers to the temperature at which an oil starts to smoke and break down. When an oil reaches its smoke point, it can release harmful compounds and develop unpleasant flavors, which can affect the quality and taste of your food. The smoke point is an important factor to consider when selecting an oil for different cooking methods. Here's more information about the smoke points of olive oil and avocado oil. Olive oil smoke point. The smoke point of olive oil can vary depending on the type and quality of the oil. Extra virgin olive oil, which is unrefined and considered the highest quality, generally has a lower smoke point compared to other types of olive oil. Its smoke point typically ranges from 325 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 to 190 degrees Celsius. This makes extra virgin olive oil suitable for light sautéing, low to medium heat cooking, and for use in salad dressings and marinades. However, it is not recommended for high heat cooking methods such as deep frying or searing, as it may start to smoke and develop an undesirable taste. Refined olive oil, which has undergone processing to remove impurities and increase its smoke point, has a higher smoke point of around 390 to 470 degrees Fahrenheit, 199 to 243 degrees Celsius. This makes it more suitable for moderate heat cooking methods, including stir frying and baking. Avocado oil smoke point. Avocado oil has a relatively high smoke point, making it a versatile option for various cooking methods. The smoke point of avocado oil typically ranges from 375 to 520 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 to 270 degrees Celsius, depending on the specific brand and quality. This high smoke point allows avocado oil to withstand high heat cooking techniques such as frying, grilling, and roasting. It can also be used for sautéing, stir frying, baking, and other high-temperature cooking methods where the oil is subjected to prolonged heat exposure. The high smoke point of avocado oil makes it more heat-stable compared to olive oil, making it less likely to break down and release unpleasant flavors when exposed to high temperatures. This quality makes avocado oil particularly suitable for recipes that require intense heat or prolonged cooking times. Number 3. Nutritional profile. While both oils offer health benefits, they have slightly different compositions. Here's more information about their nutritional profiles. Olive oil nutritional profile. Olive oil is primarily composed of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is a heart-healthy fatty acid. Monounsaturated fats have been associated with various health benefits, including reducing LDL, bad cholesterol levels and promoting heart health. Additionally, olive oil contains antioxidants, including vitamin E and phenolic compounds, which have been linked to anti-inflammatory effects and potential protective effects against certain diseases, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. It's important to note that the nutritional composition of olive oil can vary depending on the type and quality. Extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed form, retains more of the beneficial compounds compared to refined olive oil. Avocado oil nutritional profile. Avocado oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats, with oleic acid being the primary fatty acid present. These monounsaturated fats are known to have similar heart-healthy properties as those found in olive oil. In addition to monounsaturated fats, avocado oil provides other beneficial nutrients. It contains vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Avocado oil is also a source of vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting and bone health, and folate, a B vitamin that is important for cell growth and development. However, it's worth noting that avocado oil contains a higher proportion of saturated fats compared to olive oil. While the overall saturated fat content of avocado oil is relatively low compared to some other cooking oils, it is still higher compared to olive oil. Both olive oil and avocado oil are considered to be healthier alternatives to oils high in saturated and trans fats, such as butter or lard. Number 2. Fatty acid composition. Olive oil fatty acid composition. Olive oil is well known for its high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. Monounsaturated fats are considered heart healthy because they can help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels and promote cardiovascular health. Oleic acid, in particular, has been associated with various health benefits, including improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. The monounsaturated fat content of olive oil can range from approximately 70% to 85% of its total fat content, depending on the type and quality of the oil. The remaining fat content consists of smaller amounts of saturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. Avocado oil fatty acid composition. Similar to olive oil, avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, with oleic acid being the primary fatty acid present. The monounsaturated fat content of avocado oil is typically around 70% to 80% of its total fat content. These monounsaturated fats have similar heart-healthy properties to those found in olive oil. Avocado oil also contains smaller amounts of polyunsaturated fats, including omega-6 fatty acids, such as linoleic acid, and omega-3 fatty acids, such as alpha-linolenic acid. However, the overall polyunsaturated fat content in avocado oil is relatively low compared to its monounsaturated fat content. Number 1. Flavor. Olive oil flavor. Olive oil has a distinct and characteristic flavor that can vary depending on factors such as the type of olives used, the region of production, and the processing methods. Extra virgin olive oil, which is considered the highest quality and least processed form of olive oil, typically has a fruity and grassy taste with a slight peppery or bitter kick. This flavor profile is often described as robust, herbaceous, or even slightly pungent. The intensity of the flavor can vary from mild to strong, depending on the specific olive oil variety and its level of freshness. Avocado oil flavor. Avocado oil has a milder and more subtle flavor compared to olive oil. It offers a gentle, buttery taste with a hint of avocado essence. The flavor is generally considered to be smooth, creamy, and slightly nutty. Unlike olive oil, which can have a pronounced flavor, avocado oil's taste is often described as neutral, making it a versatile oil that doesn't overpower the other ingredients in a dish. This mild flavor makes avocado oil well suited for recipes where you want the natural flavors of the ingredients to shine through. The flavor of both oils can complement different types of dishes. Olive oil's characteristic taste is particularly popular in Mediterranean cuisine, where it adds depth and richness to dishes like salads, pasta, roasted vegetables, and grilled meats. Avocado oil's mild flavor makes it adaptable to various cuisines and cooking styles. It can be used in a wide range of recipes, including salad dressings, sauces, marinades, sautéing, and baking, without significantly altering the taste of the final dish. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.